Betelgeuse. It's a red giant star. If you put it where the sun is, it would extend out to the orbit of Jupiter. It's enormous. It's very unstable. It's about to explode.
In just 2 weeks, the universe is poised to witness a cosmic spectacle unlike anything we've seen before. Brian Cox reveals that the explosion of Betelgeuse could send ripples of energy straight to Earth, shaking our very understanding of the cosmos. Could this supernova trigger a chain reaction that impacts Earth in unimaginable ways? How might this cosmic event challenge everything we know about time and space? Betelgeuse and its cosmic significance. Renowned physicist Brian Cox recently made a groundbreaking announcement. Betelgeuse, the red supergiant star, is on the brink of a colossal explosion. This extraordinary event, predicted to happen within the next 2 weeks, is poised to captivate the world. The upcoming explosion, known as a Type II supernova, is not only a rare cosmic spectacle, but also a crucial moment for advancing our understanding of the universe. What groundbreaking discoveries could emerge from studying Betelgeuse's dramatic demise? Could this supernova reveal secrets about the life cycles of stars and the evolution of galaxies? Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in the Orion constellation, is no ordinary celestial body. If this cosmic giant were to replace our sun, its immense size would extend all the way to Mars. And now it's reaching the end of its life, sitting 642 light-years away. The light we're seeing from it right now is over 6 centuries old. What we see today actually started during the medieval era. But as it prepares for its grand finale, what impact will this fiery event have on what we know about the universe? A star's life is a tale of creation and destruction, starting in dense clouds of gas and dust before fusing hydrogen and helium in its core. When stars like Betelgeuse run out of fuel, they don't quietly fade away. They explode. The bigger the star, the more powerful the explosion. This upcoming Type II supernova will scatter elements like gold and silver across the universe. The very elements that make up life on Earth were born from ancient stellar explosions like this. Now, why is this supernova such a big deal for modern astronomy? It's not just because we're going to see an amazing light show in the sky. It's also because scientists will get a super rare chance to study a supernova this close to Earth. These events don't happen often, and they're usually really far away. But with Betelgeuse, we'll be able to observe the explosion up close. Like having front-row seats to the greatest cosmic show, scientists will analyze every detail: the shock wave, the energy bursts, and how light reacts. This could completely change how we understand stars, their life cycles, and even how galaxies are shaped. What new knowledge will this explosion reveal? Could this explosion challenge long-standing theories about how stars evolve and the role they play in shaping galaxies? And here's where it gets really exciting. You won't need a telescope to see this. When Betelgeuse finally explodes, it'll light up the night sky like nothing you've ever seen. It'll outshine every star and may even be as bright as the moon. Whether you're a professional astronomer or just someone who likes to stargaze, you'll be able to witness this incredible event with your own eyes. This isn't just another space event, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that will leave everyone in awe. But it's not just about the light show. The explosion will also provide scientists with data that could fuel research for years, maybe even decades. From measuring cosmic distances more accurately to understanding how light and energy behave in space, Betelgeuse's supernova could lead to massive breakthroughs in astronomy. Could we finally uncover some of the universe's deepest secrets? Now here's an interesting twist. Betelgeuse's explosion won't just be fun to watch. It could also have some effects here on Earth. The energy released might interact with our atmosphere in ways we haven't seen before. It could mess with satellite communications or create more intense auroras, those beautiful light shows in the sky that are usually visible near the poles. But this time, they could stretch far beyond their normal range. What other surprises might this explosion have in store for our planet? Could this cosmic event reveal even more about how connected we are to the universe? As we stand on the brink of witnessing one of the most significant astronomical events in modern history, the questions are endless. Betelgeuse's supernova promises not just a spectacle, but an unparalleled opportunity to advance our understanding of the cosmos. What new knowledge will emerge from studying this rare event? How will it shape our understanding of stars, galaxies, and the very building blocks of life itself? Exploring the mysteries of stellar evolution, the supernova of Betelgeuse will undoubtedly capture the public's imagination, sparking a renewed interest in astronomy and our place in the universe. This event will remind us how stars, like everything else in space, are constantly changing. When Betelgeuse vanishes from the night sky, it will symbolize the natural life cycle of stars and the powerful forces that shape the cosmos. Betelgeuse's explosion will be visible to the naked eye, bringing together professional astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. This rare event will have the whole world looking up, and people from every corner of the globe will work together to capture it from every possible angle. It's not just about advancing science, it's about fostering a shared global passion for the mysteries of the universe. The sheer force of Betelgeuse's explosion is hard to wrap our heads around, but it's a powerful reminder of the immense forces at play in the universe. It illustrates the cycle of creation and destruction that governs the cosmos and prompts us to reflect on our place within it. As we witness the colossal forces of Betelgeuse's explosion, what revelations about our universe will emerge? Will this cosmic spectacle reignite our quest to explore the unknown depths of space? This event could spark fresh debates about space exploration and even the search for life beyond Earth as we keep seeking answers to the biggest questions about our existence. Mark your calendars. This supernova isn't just going to be one for the history books. It's going to be one of the most well-documented space events ever. Thanks to its proximity to Earth and the cutting-edge technology we have today, scientists will be able to observe and analyze it in ways we've never done before. Betelgeuse's explosion is more than just an incredible light show. It's a major milestone in our quest to understand the universe. The data we gather could fuel new discoveries and give us a deeper appreciation of just how dynamic and unpredictable space really is. Betelgeuse's explosion isn't just a stunning visual event. It's a golden opportunity for scientists to dive deep into the mysteries of stellar evolution. What if this supernova holds the key to understanding the life cycles of stars? As the core of Betelgeuse collapses, the data captured could provide an unprecedented look into the heart of these massive explosions. Insights usually hidden behind clouds of cosmic dust and gas. This could change everything we know about how stars live, die, and shape the universe. One of the most fascinating aspects of Betelgeuse's explosion is the potential for extensive neutrino detection. Neutrinos, elusive subatomic particles, are emitted in vast quantities during a supernova. These particles will reach Earth before the explosion's light, giving scientists a critical early warning. Neutrino detectors around the world will be key in gathering this data, allowing researchers to study the supernova's core collapse in real time and provide invaluable information about the processes occurring in the star's final moments. As Betelgeuse blows apart, it'll also collide with the gas and dust it's been shedding for thousands of years. Studying this interaction will give scientists a deeper understanding of the star's life story and the environment it's been living in. This will help piece together the puzzle of how massive stars like Betelgeuse evolve, die, and affect the space around them. This is where it gets exciting, but beyond the science, Betelgeuse's supernova will likely inspire millions of people worldwide. Its dazzling light show will draw people to the night sky, igniting a passion for space and astronomy that could last a lifetime. What new mysteries will this supernova uncover? How many future explorers and scientists will be inspired by this once-in-a-lifetime event to look deeper into the wonders of the cosmos? Betelgeuse's brightness won't just be for scientists. It will catch the eyes of the public too. This incredible celestial event will get people talking, looking up, and wondering about the universe. For many, it will be the spark that ignites a love of astronomy. With modern technology, everyone can get involved, from those with fancy telescopes to those with just a camera phone. This event will truly be for everyone, offering a rare chance to share in the joy of discovery. Will the spectacle of Betelgeuse's explosion spark a cosmic awakening, turning viewers into astronomy enthusiasts eager to uncover the mysteries of the universe? The broader implications of a supernova. Space-based observatories like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope are about to play a huge role in capturing data that telescopes on the ground simply can't. Could this data change the way we look at stellar explosions forever? These powerful tools will give us a clearer, more detailed view of the supernova and its aftermath, helping scientists understand what's really going on in these massive cosmic events. But that's not all. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The impact of Betelgeuse's explosion goes beyond just learning about stars. It could actually help us figure out how supernovae affect nearby planets, which is super important in the search for extraterrestrial life. By studying how these explosions impact other worlds, we might discover what conditions are necessary for life to survive and thrive in different parts of the universe. Culturally and philosophically, the explosion will prompt deep reflection on humanity's place in the cosmos. The transient nature of Betelgeuse and its dramatic end will serve as a powerful reminder of the fleeting nature and interconnectedness of all things. Could Betelgeuse's supernova be the cosmic event that finally reveals the secrets of gravitational waves? What groundbreaking discoveries might we uncover about the universe's fundamental physics through this spectacular explosion? The explosion might trigger detectable gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that provide new data on the star's internal structure. Observing these waves will enhance our understanding of the physics governing supernovae and contribute to the broader field of gravitational wave astronomy. Betelgeuse's supernova could also shed light on the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. These enigmatic forces make up a significant portion of the universe, yet remain poorly understood. The supernova's energy and light could potentially interact with dark matter and energy in observable ways, offering scientists a rare opportunity to study these elusive components of the cosmos. Now, what if the key to humanity's survival in space lies in understanding the violent deaths of stars? As we dream of colonizing new worlds, how crucial will this knowledge be? As we look toward colonizing new worlds, knowing how supernovae work could be vital. We'll need to understand how these massive explosions could affect future space colonies and how to protect ourselves from their cosmic radiation. Betelgeuse's explosion also has big implications for our safety in space. Stars live and die through extreme processes, and each phase can impact future civilizations in space. We need to figure out how to protect our space stations and habitats from high-energy cosmic events. Could observing this supernova inspire new, game-changing technology that will help us survive and explore the far reaches of space? Cultural, philosophical, and technological impacts of Betelgeuse's supernova. Betelgeuse's explosion is not just an astronomical spectacle. It's set to spark a wave of technological advancements, especially in space systems designed to shield us from cosmic radiation. What groundbreaking innovations will emerge from this celestial event? Once Betelgeuse goes supernova, it will unleash an enormous burst of energy into nearby space. Scientists will be eager to capture and analyze this event, which might lead to the development of better systems for monitoring cosmic radiation. These advancements are crucial for long-duration space missions. Could the secrets unlocked by Betelgeuse's explosion be the key to our future in space? Astronauts traveling to Mars or beyond will require sophisticated radiation shielding to protect them from harsh conditions outside Earth's magnetic field. The data collected from Betelgeuse's explosion could help scientists invent new materials and technologies, enhancing the safety of spacecraft, satellites, and space habitats. How will these advancements redefine our approach to space exploration and safety? This explosion could mark a critical turning point for ensuring that humans can explore space safely. As we push the boundaries of our cosmic frontier, are we prepared for the challenges ahead? Ensuring the safety of our astronauts will be more important than ever. But the impact of Betelgeuse's supernova isn't limited to technology. This is more than just science. It's a cosmic wake-up call. It will profoundly affect our cultural and philosophical perspectives, altering how we perceive time, space, and our place in the cosmos. What new philosophies will emerge from witnessing such an awe-inspiring event? This event will challenge our understanding of cosmic timescales, prompting deep reflections on the fleeting nature of existence. Witnessing such a dramatic celestial event can provoke profound philosophical questions about life's impermanence and the vast, ever-changing universe we inhabit. Is astronomy about to become the next big thing? This supernova is likely to spark a wave of artistic and literary creativity. Themes of destruction, rebirth, and the unknown inherent in such a cosmic event will provide rich material for artists, writers, and filmmakers. The spectacular visuals and the deep implications of Betelgeuse's explosion can lead to new works of art, literature, and speculative fiction, each exploring universal themes in unique and compelling ways. This explosion will serve as a source of inspiration for stories that examine our fears, hopes, and dreams about the universe. How might Betelgeuse's supernova ignite a passion for astronomy among those who have never looked through a telescope? This explosion will serve as a powerful tool to engage the public with science. It offers a unique chance to educate people about stellar evolution and the life cycles of stars. The visibility of this event to the naked eye will democratize astronomy, allowing astronomers and curious minds to contribute valuable observations. This collective engagement will foster greater appreciation for the scientific process and inspire the next generation of scientists and technologists. Of course, Betelgeuse's explosion will also present significant technological challenges. Capturing and analyzing the immense amount of data generated by this supernova will push the limits of current technology, driving innovations in data storage, processing power, and algorithm development. The insights gained from this event could lead to breakthroughs that benefit not just astronomy, but a variety of scientific and industrial fields. And here's the big picture. A new era of space habitation might be on the horizon. Could this supernova lead to a whole new approach to long-term space habitation? The explosion will likely speed up the development of space infrastructure. Understanding the hazards posed by cosmic radiation is crucial for designing spacecraft and habitats for future missions. The knowledge gained from observing Betelgeuse's explosion will be instrumental in constructing safer, more resilient space habitats, ensuring that human explorers are well protected from the harsh conditions of outer space. What if we discover hidden gems in our galaxy? What if Betelgeuse's explosion reveals clues about habitable planets that may have been overlooked? Studying supernovae like Betelgeuse's is vital in the search for extraterrestrial life. By understanding how these cosmic events impact planetary systems, we can improve our strategies for identifying planets that could support life. This knowledge enhances our understanding of the conditions necessary for life to thrive elsewhere in the universe and boosts our chances of discovering alien civilizations. How does the explosive death of a star contribute to the birth of new worlds? Betelgeuse's supernova illustrates the interconnectedness of the universe. When this massive star explodes, it will eject enormous amounts of material into space, playing a vital role in the creation of new stars, planets, and potentially even life. This cosmic recycling process, where dying stars give birth to new celestial objects, emphasizes that everything in the universe is connected. The elements produced in supernovae, like carbon, iron, and oxygen, are the very building blocks of life, including life on Earth. This event serves as a vivid reminder of the ongoing cycle of creation and destruction that governs the cosmos, emphasizing the intricate web of connections linking all celestial objects. On a social level, Betelgeuse's supernova has the potential to act as a unifying force for humanity. As people across the globe witness this stunning phenomenon, there's an opportunity for a shared sense of wonder and connection. This collective experience can foster global unity, reminding us that we all share the same universe, bound together by our observations and experiences of the cosmos. Might this celestial event inspire a new wave of international collaboration in science and exploration? What if our fascination with the universe brings us closer together in unexpected ways? In the grand scheme of the cosmos, Betelgeuse's explosion will be a spectacle of unparalleled significance. From ensuring the safety of future space travelers to inspiring cultural and philosophical reflections, driving technological innovations, and fostering global unity, this supernova promises to be a landmark event in human history. As we stand on the brink of witnessing this extraordinary spectacle, we are reminded of the vast, dynamic, and interconnected nature of the universe and our place within it. The possibilities are endless, and the excitement is palpable as we anticipate the magnificent show Betelgeuse is about to put on. Betelgeuse's supernova stands as a testament to the beauty and complexity of the universe. As we gear up for this cosmic spectacle, embracing the excitement, curiosity, and wonder that it brings is essential. After all, the universe has so many secrets to share, and we are all eager to learn what lies beyond the stars. Will this supernova unlock new cosmic mysteries or pose unforeseen dangers? Share your insights in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more breathtaking cosmic updates. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars.